Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Scientists have named unexpected products beneficial for diabetics. You'll be surprised. If you are diabetic, you may be advised to avoid potatoes and other high glycemic index (GI) foods. Diabetics are especially strongly advised to avoid starchy vegetables late in the day, when fluctuations in blood sugar levels are strong. However, for the first time, a controlled clinical study challenged this common belief and suggested that people with type 2 diabetes should not avoid eating potatoes. Diabetics are better able to maintain stable blood sugar levels overnight if they eat high GI foods like potatoes, according to a study published in the journal Clinical Nutrition. It has been compared to a side dish that has a low GI, basmati rice. The data obtained showed that GI cannot be the only indicator for determining the glycemic response of the human body to the foods that it consumes at dinner. These findings contradict observational studies and traditional dietary guidelines that made potatoes not the best food option for people with type 2 diabetes, said study correspondent Brooke Devlin of the Australian Catholic University in Melbourne. Our research shows that high GI foods such as potatoes can be eaten as part of a healthy evening meal and will not have a negative effect on blood sugar levels. All key nutrients are provided with relatively few calories, which is very important for those with type 2 diabetes. The study involved 24 people with type 2 diabetes. They were given the same food for breakfast and lunch, and dinner was randomly selected from 4 options: boiled, baked, or fried potatoes or basmati rice. All participants tested the effect of all dinner options, taking a 9-day break between them. Participants' blood samples were collected regularly, immediately after meals, and every 30 minutes for 2 hours. They also wore a device that monitors glucose levels continuously overnight. The results showed that after consuming any potato dish, the participants' blood sugar levels were lower and more stable than after consuming basmati rice. The researchers concluded that the potato is a rich, affordable and nutritious vegetable that can play an important role in the diet of modern humans, regardless of metabolic state. However, the scientists noticed that their research had little limitation. In particular, fasting blood sugar was measured only before dinner, and they did not measure how potatoes affect long-term glucose levels. Scientists note that the diet for diabetes should be discussed with a doctor and warned against making changes to the diet that a specialist has prescribed for you. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.